Hello, in this video we are going to learn about basic terminologies used in cryptography. Number 1. Plain text. Plain text is a message to be communicated. Number 2. Cipher text. Cipher text is the encrypted version of plain text. Number 3. Encryption. Encryption is the process that turns into cipher text. Number 4. Decryption. Decryption is the process that turns cipher text into plain text. Number 5. Cryptology. Cryptology is the study of encryption and decryption algorithms. Number 6. Cryptography. Cryptography is the application of cryptology. Number 7. Stream cipher. Stream cipher operates on a message symbol by symbol, bit by bit. Number 8. Block cipher. Block cipher operates on message blockwise. Number 9. Diagraph. Diagraph operates on double letters. Number 10. Trigraph. Trigraph operates on 3 letters.